Imagine a three-lane highway, all merging into one exit at the same time. That's what June 2026 looks like for anyone building, deploying, or regulating AI in the United States. On June 2, the White House signed an executive order on AI cybersecurity. On June 4, Congress introduced a 270-page bipartisan AI governance bill. And on June 30, Colorado's AI Act goes live, just 20 days away. 3 moves, 1 convergence. Here's how each works and why it matters. 1. White House AI Cybersecurity Order, June 2. The executive order creates a voluntary pre-release review for covered frontier models. Developers who opt in let the NSA, CISA, and Treasury test their models for cybersecurity risks during a 30-day window before. Broader release. The order explicitly bans mandatory pre-clearance. Developers can still release whenever they want. But voluntary review may become de facto standard, especially after Anthropic expanded its Mythos vulnerability exploitation model 50 to 200 organizations, and OpenAI announced GPT-5 Cyber. It also creates an AI cybersecurity clearinghouse led by Treasury, coordinating vulnerability scanning and patch distribution across the AI industry and critical infrastructure. Think of it as a neighborhood watch for AI-powered cyber threats. Representatives Jay Obernolt, RCAR, and Lori Trahan, DMAR, released the Great American Artificial Intelligence Act of 2026, GARIA. This is the first serious attempt at comprehensive federal AI regulation. Its 4 pillars: frontier AI governance with third-party audits, workforce programs, cybersecurity information sharing through fiscal 2035, and $100 million per year for the Center for AI Standards and Innovation. But the real bombshell: 3-year federal preemption of state laws regulating AI model development. If passed, this would wipe out the current patchwork: Colorado, California, New York, at least for the development phase. Post-deployment laws, privacy, consumer protection would survive, but the boundary between development and deployment, especially around training data, is notoriously blurry. The first comprehensive state AI regulation to go live in the U.S. targets high-risk AI systems in employment, education, healthcare, housing, insurance, and lending. Companies must document risk management policies, conduct impact assessments, provide consumer transparency notices, and implement anti-discrimination measures. Originally delayed from February, this is the flashpoint the White House EO was partly designed to override. Deploy AI for hiring, lending, or healthcare. Colorado's rules apply in 20 days. No grace period. Build frontier models. Voluntary pre-release review may become your new normal regardless of what the law says. Scaling nationally, watch GARIA. Federal preemption would simplify compliance, but only for development. June 2026 is when the US stopped fiddling and started building a governance architecture. Whether that architecture is strong, balanced, or flawed will become clear within the next 3 months. The 3 lanes are merging. The question is, are we ready for the exit? June 2026 isn't just another month on the AI policy calendar. It's the month when the United States stopped fiddling and started building a governance architecture. Whether that architecture is strong, balanced, or flawed will become clear within the next 3 months. The 3 lanes are merging. The question is, are we ready for the exit?